Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power and eliminating risk. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait. Once done, make sure refrigerant is professionally recovered so you do not vent the system. This protects you and the environment. Next, remove the engine cover and loosen the serpentine belt to relieve tension. You need clear access to the compressor, so unbolt any obstructing brackets and move wiring harnesses aside. This gives you the space to work and prevents damage to nearby components. You now focus on the detailed removal. Unplug the compressor clutch connector and cap the refrigerant ports to keep contaminants out. Then support the compressor from below and remove the mounting bolts in a crisscross pattern so the unit comes down evenly. Once free, lift straight out and set on a clean surface. Inspect the clutch, pulley, and O-rings. Replace worn O-rings and plan to change the receiver dryer or accumulator, because moisture and debris often contaminate the system. You install the replacement compressor by positioning it, hand-starting bolts, then torquing to factory spec. Make sure new O-rings are lubricated with PAG oil and connectors are secure. Once installed, vacuum the system to about -29 inches mercury to remove moisture, perform a leak test, then recharge the exact refrigerant weight. After charging, run the A/C, verify low and high side pressures, and listen for abnormal noises. If pressures are off or clutch won't engage, recheck electric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.